Welcome to a quick overview of ShareAdvance Project Intelligence for Microsoft Project Online and Project Server. ShareAdvance Project Intelligence is a server tool for snapshotting and reporting on project management data. Our goal is to help executives and managers answer questions such as, what is the current status of my projects? What can I learn from historical project data? How can I use data to understand what is likely to happen with my projects in the future? ShareAdvance Project Intelligence starts with Microsoft Project Online and Project Server, the most popular project and portfolio management tools in the market today. Using Microsoft read-only application interfaces, we snapshot your project data into the ShareAdvance database on a scheduled basis, monthly, weekly, daily, or even hourly, though daily is most common. Your data is stored in Microsoft SQL within Azure or within your own IT infrastructure. The data is accessed through a robust, very fast Power Query model, making it easy to create unlimited reports and visualizations. Our reporting tool of choice is Power BI, where we have a growing library of reports available for our customers. I'll show you a few of those in a minute. You can also create reports in Excel or in many other business intelligence visualization tools available on the market today. You can set up ShareAdvance Project Intelligence today in as little as 15 minutes. Just go to the setup page. Here is the Project Intelligence Top Projects Over Budget report using our bullet spectrum custom visual. The bullet spectrum is based on the bullet chart, but it's able to show that being under or over budget is bad in project management. The vertical bar shows the planned budget spent to date, while the horizontal bar shows what we've actually spent to date. The position of the end of the bar within the user-defined color areas lets us quickly know if the project spend is okay, a bit over budget, or substantially over budget. If you want to focus on a specific project, just click it, and that filters all the other areas of the report for information about that specific project. To do more filtering, open up the Filters bar. Then we have available lots of different filtering, such as Enterprise Project Type, Project Phase, Project Department. We also have an advanced filtering type that can be illustrated by looking at percent over budget. Here I can say I want to look at projects that are greater than 120% over budget. When I apply the filter, I get the Health Assessment Reporting tool, the project that's clearly in the most trouble. We'll take a look at some more details about this project in a minute. We also have a Top Projects Under Budget report, which is the flip side of the over budget report, showing us those projects that really haven't spent the money that we expected to date. This allows us to do some dynamic project reallocation where we can take money from these projects and potentially move it over to our projects that are over budget. I'm going to skip over our additional reports like cost, work, late milestones, cost by department, and go straight into our cost trend report. The ShareAdvance Cost Trend Report. This report is based off snapshot data from the ShareAdvance database and is not available with out-of-the-box configurations of Project Server or Project Online. To see more information, I'm going to expand this report. Here we have a line chart showing actual cost data, baseline cost, and cost, which of course is planned cost. As expected, actual cost total is increasing over time. But as project changes occur, we see that the project managers had to make changes to planned cost as well, and they're stepping up over time, shown by the red line. Baseline cost has remained stable for a certain period of time, but ultimately, we have to rebaseline. And this happens on Friday, November 6th, where baseline cost moves from $153,000 all the way up to $392,000. We can assume that this was an approved baseline change. To see another way of visualizing trend data, let me take a look at this report using the Microsoft Sandance visualization. The line is representing, again, actual cost total, but the color of the line is based on the project manager's self-reported health state. Green indicates that the project is fine, yellow indicates that things are going bad, red indicates the project manager is really in need of help. So we can see that as the cost increased, as the actual cost total increased, things were fine for a while. Then they turned to red, turned back to green, and then turned to yellow. Now, to understand these changes a little bit more, let's change from actual cost total to cost, or planned cost. Now we can see that the planned costs stepped up over time, eventually took a big leap, and at that point the project manager recognized and reported that he was in trouble and changed the status to red. Quite possibly he should have known that he was in trouble and changed this to yellow earlier on. The project remained in the green state for some period of time. The cost plan changed again, and now he's gone to yellow. To see a little bit more about this, let's change to baseline cost. This shows that the project was green for a certain period of time, changed to red, and then again on that November 6th date, we changed the baseline, and at that point the project manager was comfortable changing the project health back to green. One last report, the predictive cost report. Predictive cost is something that we can do based on lots of historical data. We use the Microsoft Excel predictive analytics capability in this case to tell us what is going to happen with actual cost. We can see that actual cost total ramps up over time right up until today, but the real question is what happens next? What is this project likely to cost in the future? The predictive analytics capability of Excel tells us the most likely numbers for our actual cost total for the coming quarter, as well as an upper and lower bound based on a 90% confidence interval. This really shows the strength of capturing historical project data to understand what the future of your project holds. ShareAdvance Project Intelligence for Microsoft Project Online and Project Server snapshots and stores your project management data for better reporting. We enable project current state reports, project historical trends, and project predictive analytics. Set it up today in as little as 15 minutes or get more information at ShareAdvance.com.